Hello everyone, welcome back to my ಚಾನಲ್. ಯಾರಿನ್ನೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Let us see schools of psychology in this video. Structuralism, functionalism, behaviorism, gestalt school of psychology, psychoanalysis school of psychology, humanistic school. So we have 6 schools of psychology. First we'll see about structuralism. This school of psychology was founded by William Wundt and his follower Tesner. But the name structuralism ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಟೆಸ್ಲರ್ ಅವರು. This is one of the first school of thought in a psychology. According to this school, psychology is regarded as the science of consciousness or the study of the experience. So they mainly focused on breaking down the mental process into most basic components. They researched and tried to understand the basic elements of the consciousness. So the main thing of this structuralism is to understand the basic elements of the consciousness. According to this school, the consciousness is analyzed into 3 basic elements. First one is physical sensations, then feelings, then images like memories and dreams. So, to analyze these things, they have used a method called introspection. Introspection means a self observation. You can say looking within oneself to experience one's own mental state. That means explaining their experiences, what they are feeling, is called introspection. But this school of thought remained narrow. Since this is a subjective method, a person can hide their feelings or experiences if they don't want to say. So, this school of psychology remained restricted and narrow. So, this led an emergence of another school of psychology, that is functionalism. This school of psychology was founded by a psychologist called William James. This theory is emerged as a reaction to structuralism because in this theory they claim that consciousness and experiences cannot be broken down into elements because there is no separate ideas and thoughts, sensations or perceptions. Therefore, they made more emphasis on the activities and the functions of a mind. The functionalists are concerned with the purposes of behavior and mental processes. Therefore, they showed more interest in how behavior functions to adapt to the environment. This theory broadened the field of psychology. They included children's animals also. And this theory given more scope of psychology and led to education psychology by developing a variety of new methods beyond introspection for studying a behavior. Next one is behaviorism. This school of psychology was founded by a psychologist J.B. Watson. He concluded the whole idea of consciousness is not at all a logical one because the consciousness cannot be proven by any scientific test. Therefore, he considered psychology as the objective science of behavior. According to him, only observable behavior can be studied. Observable behavior means how the person talks, how he walks, how he behave with another person, all these things. According to this school, environment plays a major role in an behavior of a person. So, emphasis is made more on environment. According to this school, the unit of behavior is the stimulus response connection. And this theory introduced many scientific and objective methods of studying a behavior. So, this is all about the behaviorism. Next one is Gestalt School of Psychology. This was founded by a psychologist, Max Wertheimer. Along with him, three more psychologists were there. They are Kurf, Kofka, and Wolfgang Kohler and Kurt Levin. All these psychologists work together to establish this Gestalt School of Psychology. Gestalt means form, shape, configuration, organic whole, and organization. In this school of psychology, the first principle what they are concentrated is whole is important other than the parts. They opposed all the schools of psychology like structuralism, behaviorism, and functionalism. Here, they gave more importance for the whole situation which is observable. This principle of Gestalt is applied in a curriculum for the construction and organization and then presenting the learning material in a Gestalt form to a student. This theory given interdisciplinary approach in the education. Interdisciplinary approach means how the different disciplines are interrelated. The study of how the different subjects are related. This is the interdisciplinary approach. So, this is about the Gestalt psychology. Next one is psychoanalysis. This theory was founded by Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud, he is an neurophysician. ಸೊ ಇವನು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸು. ಬಟ್ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಡರ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ he analyzed human mind in terms of consciousness, pre-consciousness, and unconscious processes. Then he developed three concepts based on that, that is id, ego, and super ego. So he says the goal of life is survival and the propagation of species. Sexual urge is the energy force of the life instinct. This is a theory gave an psychoanalytic method to study a behavior of a human. So this is about the theory of psychoanalysis. Next one is humanistic school of psychology. This approach has been emerged as a view of the psychologists Carl Rogers, Abraham Maslow, Arthur Combs, and Gordon Allport. Because of all these psychologists' efforts, the humanistic school of psychology has been established. The main principle of this school is they focused on the uniqueness of human beings and their capacity for the choice of their growth and psychological health. They were strongly against with the structuralism, the behaviorism, the gestalt psychology, and psychoanalysis theory. In this theory, the more emphasis is given on human qualities, unique human qualities. This theory gave more importance to the concept of self. Individuals have free will and choice for their growth. Education must be given so that It should bring out the best in them by giving them a freedom. So, this is about the humanistic school of psychology. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, please visit my channel.